Hello friends, in the previous presentations we have discussed definitions of language, properties of language, and now in this presentation we will try to understand functions of language. The word function has several shades of meanings, but in the context of language, scholars use it to refer to the specific uses of language. We can study language functions in two aspects. First, general or micro aspects, that is also called as micro functions of language. And second, meta or macro aspects, that is also called as macro functions of language. First, we will try to understand general or micro aspects, or you can say micro functions of language, that refer to the particular individual uses of language in society. In the history of linguistics, we find many renowned personalities who worked on language functions, but some of the prominent are Finch, Roman Jakobson, M.K. Halliday, and Leach. Finch speaks about 7 functions of language. They are physiological, fatigue, recording, identifying, reasoning, communicating, and pleasure. Roman Jakobson speaks about 6 functions of language: fatigue, the poetic, metalingual, emotive, cognitive, and referential. M.K. Halliday speaks about 7 microfunctions of language. They are instrumental, regulatory, interactional, personal, heuristic, imaginative, and representational function. While Leach speaks about 5 functions of language: informative, expressive, aesthetic, directive, and fatigue. So these are called as general functions of language or micro functions of language. At the same time, we will try to understand macro functions of language given by M.K. Halliday. They are ideational function, interpersonal function, and textual function. First, we will try to see 7 functions of language, or you can call them micro functions of language given by M.K. Halliday. First is instrumental function. Language is used to fulfill a need on the part of the speaker, directly concerned with obtaining food, drink, and comfort. Second is regulatory function. Here, language is used to influence the behavior of others, concerned with persuading, commanding, requesting other people to do things you want. Third is interactional function. Language is used to develop social relationships and is the process of interaction, concerned with the fatigue dimension of talk. Fourth, personal function. Language is used to express the personal preferences and identity of the speaker, sometimes referred to as the "here I am," "I'm present" function, announcing oneself to the world. Fifth is representational function. Language is used to exchange information, concerned with relaying or requesting information. Sixth, heuristic function. Language is used to learn and explore the environment. Child uses language to learn. This may be questions and answers, or the kind of running commentary that frequently accompanies children's playing. Seventh is imaginative function. Language is used to explore the imagination. So, child creates imaginative world and tries to create his own story. According to M.K. Holiday, the first four functions help the child to satisfy physical, emotional, and social needs. Instrumental function. This is when the child uses language to express their needs. For example, the child says, "I want juice," "I want milk." Regulatory function. This is where language is used to tell others what to do. For example, speaker says, "Go away," "Come here," "Sit down." Interactional function. Here, language is used to make contact with others and form relationships. For example, child says, "Love you, mommy," "Love you, papa." Personal function. This is the use of language to express feelings, opinions, and individual identity. For example, the speaker says, "Me, a good girl," "I am a good boy." The next three functions help the child to come to terms with his or her environment. Heuristic function. This is when language is used to gain knowledge about the environment. For example, the child asks a question: how the tractor works, how the machine works. Imaginative function. Here, language is used to tell stories and jokes and to create an imaginary environment. Representational function. The language is used to convey facts and information. Let us see meta or macro functions of language. Meta function or macro function is capable of describing one or more other functions. According to M.K. Halliday, these macro functions are ideational function, interpersonal function, and textual function. Ideational function is considered as the content function of language, and it allows us to conceptualize the world for our own benefit and that of others. The ideational function is further divided into two types. First, experiential function, and second, logical function. Experiential function. It refers to the grammatical choices that enable speakers to make meanings about the world around us and inside us. It is through this process of humans making meaning from experience that language evolved. So, the speaker is trying to understand the things, and with the help of these experiences, he tries to understand the world. For example, when we watch small children interacting with the objects around them, we can see that they are using language to construe a theoretical model of their experience. Second, logical function. Those are systems which set up logical semantic relationships between one clausal unit and another. When two clauses are combined, a speaker chooses whether to give both clauses equal status or to make one dependent on the other. In addition, a speaker chooses some meaning. Interpersonal function. It is participatory function of language. Language is used to interact with others, to establish and maintain relations with them, to please them, to anger them, and influence their behavior, to get their help or sympathy. Third, textual function. The relation of language to the verbal and non-verbal situational environment. When language is in use, playing the previous two metafunctions, it naturally forms a text. So, here we try to understand meta functions or macro functions of language. At the same time, we try to understand micro functions of language. Thank you.